I grew up in between the border of Mexico and the United States, in between the cities of Juárez and El Paso in Texas. There's a bridge that leads between the two, and that bridge is what led my father to his job in El Paso, which he would go to very often. I was 3 years old when my family discovered that I was deaf, and they had to scramble and really figure out what was best for me, and they decided that it would be best to just move to El Paso, and it would give my sister and I the best life and education possible. And that was a very big decision for them, and they had to uproot their entire life and leave everything they knew behind. And I know that I'm not the only type of person with this story. There's so many other people among us that have this type of story. In the area that I grew up, they learned a different type of language than what I wanted to learn. I wanted to learn LMS, which is Mexican Sign Language, spoken and written. And the school that I attended said that I could not learn Spanish. They wanted me to learn SEE or PSE. And because of that, as my deaf identity, it really took a struggle and wavered as I was growing up.